I'm Cruz, a heavy equipment operating engineer in training here at Deep Creek Construction School. I'm going to demonstrate to you the startup procedures to this D5 CAT Dozer behind me. I've already done my walk-around safety inspection and control identification. I do startup procedures to get familiar with controls, make sure all my tires work properly, and cycle hydraulic fluid to the system. After which, I'm going to put the machine to task. Let me demonstrate.